Hear me a son, man, I gauge representing your Shinezstory. Big up yourself in a YouTube. People don't follow that page, they subscribe. Bang!
Alright. Blessed good afternoon, Shinezstory. It is Loveindehouse. And I'll leave in my yard. I'm gonna get a pizza. I'm gonna give you a little run back on how the barbecue was. I really didn't get to vlog the barbecue because it was too busy. I had real things to do. I'm gonna put my seatbelt. Not because the barbecue sell off our money to pay for seatbelt. I don't want that kind of money. Yeah, we build our own barbecue pit. We have to have our own. So let me go into that right now. I'll give a shout out to Diamond Boy and my boy Jep. Diamond Boy do most of the welding work and Jep was there helping out. It is Loveindehouse. Thanks for the support. Let's I hope you enjoy that clip because we make our own grill, right? We grill is we grill. So you know what that means? That means we're gonna have more barbecue than the only one. I'm gonna pick up my pizza. Yeah, Bobo, you speak right? Alright, yeah, definitely. So what's this clip in the meantime where me and my wife went to the market and get stuff to prepare for the barbecue. Shinezstory, it is Loveindehouse. Pizza time. Well, everybody is eat ketchup. Enough for that. Haha, I'm back home. Seatbelt off, safe. Pizza in the back there. So, I think this is where I say goodbye. The vlog done already. You wish. You wish you could have done anyhow, but that is it so far. So now is the main event. I'm gonna have some pizza. What's your barbecue in the meantime now, boy? Loveindehouse, what's your barbecue? How it is, isn't it?
Good. It's a good wine. See, it is very good.
The good is good, everything is official. Official, it is good.
I want anything, I want it.
Anytime I eat my barbecue, I'm a lonely soul. I'm not sharing at all. I'm loving yours barbecue. Oh gosh. Right now, the love in the house. Yeah, that's what I mean. The barbecue, the love in the house right now. So you don't know God. Right? The flyest entertainment in the building. Big up Chennet still you cannot be here, but I don't know we are your food.
Love,
we are your food fail, okay?
I feel like we're eating food.
What's up my dog guy? What's up my dog?
Hey, Chennet, that man eat your food, boy.
Don't do him that.
Don't do him that.
Don't do him that.
I don't know. Loveindehouse, no brother. Thanks for passing. Thanks for passing. Guys, look here, boy. Jeb don't know nobody, boy.
When we want to do it.